curls, welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Today I'm doing something very different and very interesting for you guys. I'm actually cocktailing two completely different lines from the same line, if that makes sense. So the overall line is Eden Bodyworks, and they came out with two new lines. The first one is the Almond Marshmallow line that's in this packaging, and they also have the Hibiscus honey line that's in this package. Now the reason why I cocktailed the two of them together was because in this line I only got a leave-in conditioner, a deep conditioner, and this hydration serum. And in this line I got a shampoo, conditioner, a blowout cream, I got a hydration custard. Now because this line didn't have a deep conditioner, what I did was that I just filled in the blanks with the products. So because this one didn't have a deep conditioner, I used the shampoo, conditioner, then deep conditioner from this line. This one didn't have a leave-in conditioner, so I used the leave-in conditioner from this line, and so on and so forth. So let's get into the review of these products. Now we're starting off with the shampoo. Now I used this shampoo and I found that, as most shampoos do to my hair, it was very stripping. So my hair was left very dry and brittle after I used it. But the good thing is I really enjoyed the conditioner. So the conditioner replenished the moisture into my hair, and then onto the deep conditioner from the Almond Marshmallow line, which is this one. I love this deep conditioner so much. It does this thing. If you guys have ever used the Giovanni Direct Leave-In Conditioner, you know that it kind of foams in your hair, foams almost like a shampoo but not a shampoo. But this, it's 16 ounces and it works so well. I was able to detangle my hair with it, and it said to leave it in your hair for 40 minutes. I only left it in my hair for probably 15 minutes, so I could imagine how well it would have worked had I left it the full amount of time. But yeah, this split and repair mask is really good. I really liked it. It was my favorite out of the three for wash day. So after I washed my hair, I used the spray leave-in conditioner from that line, and it didn't really do anything. So what I decided to do was that I decided that I'm going to use the blow dry cream as a leave-in conditioner, and this really should be a leave-in conditioner because it felt so good, so moisturizing, and it had a lot of slip. What I'm looking for in leave-in conditioners I got from using this blow dry cream. The leave-in conditioner that they had from this line wasn't cutting it at all, but this one, it did so well. And then after that I used the hydration curling custard. Now this is a very thick curling custard, and I applied it to my hair. It felt really nice going in, very soft, very moisturizing, and so on. And then to seal in all of that moisture, I actually used the hydration serum. Now when I was looking online, I saw that a lot of people used it for wash and goes, but I know from the consistency of this isn't going to give me any kind of definition for wash and go. So I didn't even bother. So I decided to seal in all the moisture with this, and this was the last step. I was able to detangle my hair very well with it. It is also super moisturizing, and it has the consistency of flaxseed gel. That's what it reminds me of, flaxseed gel. So from using those two lines together, this is how my hair came out. I absolutely love it. It's very soft and moisturized. It doesn't have like a strong hold. if rain were to fall, I don't think that my hair would last outside in the humidity, and it's raining a lot today. But yeah, I am really loving how my hair turned out. I'm glad that I decided to, out of the blue, cocktail these two lines together. Have you guys tried any of these lines? I think that they were really good and they worked really well in my hair. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. If you guys love this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a friend. We are growing. The goal is to get to 6K before the month is done. Can we get to 6K before the month is done? Let's see. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.